friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to do simple whiteboard at home. For this we want scissors, cardboard, Fevicol, plastic cover, plaster and 2 A4 sheets. Now we have to cut the cardboard. Now remove the excess waste. Now we have to paste 2 cardboards. Now take one white paper and fold this. At the same fold 4 sides also. Cut the corners 4 sides. Like this. Now paste this paper like this. Think the whiteboard. Now take the second paper and cover this one. Cover the second side also. After pasting the paper, take cardboard and insert into the plastic cover. Now fold the excess plastic cover to this side, to the back side of the whiteboard. Now paste this with plaster. Now the whiteboard is ready. Now let us test whether it is working or not. Subscribe, like, share. Now let us rub it with a cloth. Oh, it is working. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, friends.